Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this session, I will explain a tutorial on how to build a good livestock monitoring system using RFID technology and an ESP32 connected to a web application. This system is designed to make livestock data management easier. When an RFID card is tapped, the goods data such as identity and total livestock will automatically appear on the website. The first step is to find a prompt using AI. At this stage, we ask AI to generate the necessary code for both the web application and the ESP32. The prompt usually includes instruction to create system where RFID can read a card and send the data to a web server. After getting the generated code from AI, the next step is to copy the code into Visual Studio Code. In VS Code, we focus on building the web interface using technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This web page will display livestock data such as goat ID, name, and total count. Next, we prepare the backend system. This can be done using Node.js or by using an online database service such as Supabase or Firebase, which allow real-time data storage and retrieval. After that, we move to the Arduino IDE to set up the ESP32. Here, we paste the ESP32 code generated by AI into the Arduino IDE. This code is responsible for reading RFID data and sending it to the web server via Wi-Fi. The next step is hardware assembly. The components used are an ESP32 board and an RFID module, commonly RC522. The RFID module is connected to the ESP32 using jumper with stroke-specific pins such as SDA, SCK, MOSI, MISO, RST, and GND. Make sure all connections are correct to avoid error during the reading process. Once the hardware is ready, we upload the code from the Arduino IDE to the ESP32. If the upload is successful, the ESP32 will connect to Wi-Fi and be ready to read RFID cards. The next step is system testing. When an RFID card is tapped onto the sensor, the ESP32 reads the card's unique ID. This ID is sent to the web application and matched with the database containing goat livestock data. If the ID is found, the website will display information such as the goat's name, type, age, and the number of livestock. With this system, data management becomes faster and more accurate because it eliminates the need for manual recording. In conclusion, RFID and ESP32 two technologies are very useful for modernizing livestock management, especially in monitoring and managing goat farming efficiently. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.